bitch ass motherfucker. Black ass Asian ass nigga. Stay on 2 feet, bitch. Asia, how the fuck you wanna go James's dick? Nigga, your shit ain't long enough to put your mouth, motherfucker. What's up with that shit?
It's rough. I can't really say that I pity you, though. You see, I've always wondered why humans love cake. It tastes so disgusting to me that it makes me want to puke. But you guys sure seem to enjoy eating it. It must have been nice to live such a peaceful life. One where you didn't have to live in fear of the CCG or other ghouls. You think your life sucks now? Give me a break. This life is all I've ever known, so how do you think that makes me feel? Well, buddy, answer me!
Coming out the wall, I got your brother right here swinging from my balls. Ha! You want me to say it? Now I shoot your big brother till he fuck with me. So let it rain and let it snow when it go to warfare. You wanna go to war for me, Asia? Now it's on. Take on the war. Fuck your big brother till he's gone. Now we can roll to the west out of town, and I'm looking for you and Johnny be underground. You better move your ass, and that's what you get. Putting at your ass for the 187. Yeah, motherfucker, gon' bring you back for this shit. Yo, Johnny Asia, move back. Hey, yo, Big Smalls, come on, I'm the one member. You the one member. You wrong, Asia. Remember the time you always being wrong like a pussy? Nigga, you talking all that shit to my man JHW. So watch yourself and check yourself. You diss me, I'ma diss you back, bitch. Nigga, you ain't shit to JHW. You ain't shit to me. So I'm the one who trying to talking shit to you. Let me think about the day, Asia. Back then, cause you still up in niggas' game. Remember the time we always talk about this? That one your brother got shot? Oh yeah, Asia. Let me think about the past. Back then, cause I shoot your own big brother. Now I'm the one nigga you wanna fuck with. Dick so hard and then you gonna suck it. Suck so good and then make it up. You can might shoot your ass a motherfucking up. Niggas don't know how to keep it real. But Asia, you don't know how to keep it real in this shit. Fuck you, Asia, with Cypress Hill. And fuck you, Asia, with this whole new shit. You the one that you being yourself. The nigga the one that I should trust. I never even trust Asia, father or maybe his mother. All you try to be is just a bad boy, Asia. You never be like that. Don't ever trust him. James Jump. Let me tell you something. Don't ever trust Asia. So fuck her. That means we wanna say fuck her, fuck her, fuck her. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And you don't stop. And you don't stop. And you don't stop, bitch. And you don't stop. And you don't stop. Let me try this shit again. So pull the back on, break domes and get shit and get packed like a off in the fucking rap. None of these rappers is I was still real Biggie Smalls. I'm a real Biggie Smalls. Bitch, please, nigga, please. Back the wings like an old friend. Happy like all these styles, nigga. Who you fucking with, Asia? Who you trying to hide? Who you trying to hide forever? Like a walk in the hide forever. Like a walk in the walk forever. Walk a hide forever. Who you wanna what, Asia? Who you wanna hide? Who you wanna see? You never gonna see nothing. My man JHW is a friend of mine, but you fucking up street and a sus behind. My man Gabriel is a friend of mine, but you fucking up street, Asia, and a sus behind. The nigga that I always been trust with, the nigga one I down with is Gabe and Frankie or maybe Kyle. The one that niggas that I trust with, the niggas that I always like with. We never ever hate you, cause we always been hate you, Asia. What you want, nigga? Back in the nut, and your shit's not broken enough. So watch yourself and shake yourself, cause me and you, Asia, we going to war together. Boom, 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 boom. You get shot by the motherfucking biggest wolves. Who you fucking with, nigga? Who you fucking with right now? You fucking with those Gucci gangs, or maybe motherfucking Nicki Minaj? That means we always say, fuck Nicki Minaj. This nigga ain't no fucking thug. Nicki Minaj always died in the east and west, north, south, and east. You fucking maggot, you fucking faggots who trying to cross you every fucking day that I always meant to hurt you. Asia, you going to war together, I'ma shoot your brother ass all motherfucking day. I wasn't new this bitch on a whole new house. Always trying to see with some gangster shit. But Asia, fuck your mama, cause your mama is old. She always turned 60 or 50, 70s, 80s, 90s, 100. Your mother gonna die and she always never ever give you a chance like the old will. But fuck your father, he's the one you gonna get smoke some cigarettes. The one that I just saw your Asia father. I just saw your father, Asia, when you was always smoking some weed or maybe cigarettes. Nigga, slap me in my face, Asia. Slap me in my face. So Johnny, who you down with? You down with Asia? Can I wipe that shit off my dick? You cannot wipe that shit on my dick. I'ma shoot your ass, Asia. Oh, motherfucking crook. So now what, Asia? You hip-hop hippie? How you fucking junkie and do this fucking humpy? And chill, Asia, and deal with the best. Now you ain't got enough skills, Asia. And chill. Let it rain, pussy. Yeah, who you fucking with? We got some little gods in you. You the one you told around to watch your brother die. What kind of shit was that? Now with these fools trying to do that shit like this. Bad boys in the house. So pull the back dick and put your dick on your lick. You never ever know spot. But that nigga goes in your face again. You gonna slap it in the face, slap it again. Make it up and back in me. Asia, you making me sick. Asia, get off my dick! Turn that shit up louder. Fuck you, Asia. Asia, I'ma shoot your ass. Listen to this shit, biatch. Asia, let me tell you something. Now you tell me who won. I see your brother, he won, he died. Your brother ain't not gonna see us. Oh yeah, your father trying to dress up, trying to beat us. How fuck he trying to beat us that we think we doing our job like we millionaires? Killing Asia's family, somebody gotta do it. Oh yeah, Johnny, you wanna fuck with us? Little two young ass motherfuckers. Y'all two niggas don't know about bad boy shit. Asia, you fucking with me, nigga. You fucking with Biggie Smalls, nigga. You better back the fuck up before you get slapped the fuck up. He's gonna do this on our side. And y'all two niggas gonna bring it. But we ain't singing. We bring drama for two of y'all. Fuck you, Asia, and your motherfucking mama. We're gonna chill all you motherfuckers. Now I'm about to now really gonna came out. It's not just about your father. Bitch smoking some cigarettes. Cause every people might open their eyes to the motherfucking can of pin. We're something about this, Asia. Fuck you, Asia. Fuck your mama. Fuck your father as a whole new smoking cigarettes as a motherfucking crew. If you wanna keep on down with your James sister, or maybe, let me tell you one more time, Asia. If you wanna keep on down with Johnny, then fuck you too, Asia. Your brother died, fuck you too. All you motherfuckers in Asia families, fuck you too. All you motherfuckers, fuck you, Asia. Brother dying, all that shit pass away for the motherfucking TV like a motherfucking Wednesday by noon. You niggas Asia, you cannot beat us and see us. You motherfuckers cannot thug life cause we fought bad boys, nigga. 1997 till I die. You know why? Cause we from the east side, Marco Street till we die. Out here motherfucking Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, nigga. You know why, Asia? I might bomb one of you motherfuckers. We do our job. You know why, Asia? We're your motherfucking mom. Ain't nothing else kill us people on the whole wheelers name. Where's y'all niggas feeling? I saw shit cross you. Asia, you really laugh because I put guns in that motherfucking, like, let me tell you one more time, Asia. Asia, you mad cause I shoot your big brother in the motherfucking street. You know why it is, Asia? This is Bad Boy 2000 motherfucking 18, the hardest. Asia, you cannot feel it. We're Willis. Fuck you, Asia. We Asia killers. We John A killers. We your brothers killers. One down, two to go, pussy. Now I put my whole new goddamn name on it, Asia. You wanna go to war for me? You wanna go to war with me? So all that bullshit you do ain't shit to me. But Asia, you ain't shit to me, nigga. You better back the fuck up before you get shoot up the back the fuck up. Before you get slapped the fuck up. Talk shit to my little sister and see what happens. With me and Biggie Smalls, we might find you. Tobacco piece of shit, fucking black ass piece of shit. You fucking the wrong one, nigga. You Asia, you picking the wrong boy. You picked the wrong boy. You picked the wrong boy. Now what? This is Bad Boy 2019, 2018, forever. Biggie Smalls, JHW, Yoko Akasa, 21 Savage, NBA Youngboy. Let's go. Yeah. This is the hardest Bad Boy 2018, Asia. Pussy. Asia, your mind's gonna get fucked up, nigga.